Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Congratulations to TNT for winning the PBA Commissioner's Cup. With 19.9 points, 3.1 rebounds, 3.4 assists, and 1.0 steals, the Honda PBA Press Corps Finals MVP is Ray Nambata!
PBA Commissioner's Cup Finals MVP, Ray Nambata.
Ray, we would like to request a few words. Last conference, unang kampyonato ni Ray in the PBA at ngayon, champion again, finals MVP pa.
First of all, I'd like to thank the TNT fans, PBA fans, and also sa Ginebra fans na nandito ngayon, nanonood ng Game 7 Finals. And sa management ng TNT, to the bosses, to my teammates, to Coach Shot, and sa mga assistant coaches, maraming salamat. And siyempre, pinasasalamatan ko si Kuya Jason, ang naging mentor ko talaga na itong series na to. Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, wala ako dito ngayon, hindi ako mag-step up. Kaya salamat, and sa mga teammates ko, salamat.
Give it up once again for your finals MVP, Ray Nambata! Ray, congratulations TNT, second championship this season.